Eyebrows tutorial step-by-step guide for beginners who want natural-looking brows in minutes. Eyebrows tutorial for beginners. Much like a hairstyle, your eyebrows can make or break your entire face. When your brows are groomed, they highlight your best features and lend a boost in confidence, so you look like you've got your shit together. Today, we'll show you how to work with the natural brow shape you were blessed with, and how to make them look much fuller than they are. Before you reach for the tweezers, take a good look at your eyebrows and identify straight hairs around it. If you need a visible demarcation as a guide, use a white pencil liner to outline your brows to create a stencil. Place your mirror at a comfortable distance, that's not too close to your brows, and make sure you're in a well-lit area. With a pair of tweezers, pluck no more than 2 stray hairs at a time. Remove the excess hairs that fall under and a little above your arches. If you've marked out your brow shape with the white pencil, wipe it off before moving on to the next step. Using the spoolie brush of a dual-ended brow pencil, brush your brows in the direction of your natural hair. You'll notice the hair at the front of your brows grow upwards and gradually slopes down towards the tail ends. Using a brow pencil, imagine you're adding more brow hairs by gently feathering in strokes, following the direction of your natural hairs. Go lighter on the front of your brows to avoid a blockish look. Use the spoolie end of the brow pencil to brush through your brows. This blends and spreads the pigment slightly to even out the color on your brows.